up? It's your favorite JT Techno coming with another amazing video tutorial, and this is about the new Samsung Odyssey G8 I got. Well, it's my first OLED display ever, and it's got it for a deal half off, so 50% off. That is a great deal. It's a 34-inch 1800 curve ratio. It got a 4040p with OLED display. So my other two is V8, and I can definitely see the nose. Definitely see the difference. It's like amazing. It have inbuilt gaming, game bar. It got built-in TV game bar, and then some inbuilt with Netflix, Disney, Video Prime, Spotify, and also built-in gaming. It got AMD FreeSync Premium, and it got NVIDIA G-Sync. The max refresh rate is 175 Hz, and that is pretty good. Again, it's an OLED display. It's 4040p, but it is wide, not ultra wide, but it's wide. So that is pretty nice. And yeah, it got like literally multiple things or features. Eye saver mode, free flickering. It got virtual aim, Corsair game bar 2.0, and a gaming hub built in as well. Yeah, I got a gaming hub. That's pretty great. It also got auto source switch plus with some HDMI connectivity, display connectivity, and also USB-C, and a SmartThings hub, and actually Alex built in. So the Alex SmartThings, Smart Type. It got multiple stuff. It's like unpredictable how much it can do. It's crazy. But I just want to take some of it out that you can use actually. So pretty nice, pretty awesome. And you stay safe, you stay awesome. And let's get into then the video of it. The POV video is going right next to this. So let's go.
Let's go. Do the right direction. Big box, Odyssey G8. Crazy frames. Woohoo! And I know this is the kitchen light yet, but it's if you like, I can cut it on with this. Fucking using a kitchen light to this is not the best box. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if I do it upside down. Oh. Okay. When you said it was big, I didn't expect this big. Okay, it's fuck, it's thin. It's like seriously thin, chat. And then you just have to hey, what else is in the box? In the box! We got the mouse. Some of it. And then you have your house. Yep, and then we got a watch. To something that I don't understand how. What the fuck, that's big. Look at this huge! It's like literally as big as this one. That's my main. So, that is pretty nice. That is the box out of the box. Nah, we'll find a solution. But this is the screen check. That is like really, and it's gotta protect your shield on so it doesn't get scratched. But this is like the Odyssey G5, and it's G8. So it is curved as you can see, but it's not that much. And the back is like LED, beautiful. It's got 2 USB, HDMI, Ethernet display, and the power connection in the toy. So it's pretty nice. But that's it. I'm gonna show you when the product is done. But let's go! Time to move all of this and do a relocation and everything. Let's go! And we're gonna try. So yeah. And then we'll get an update. When we finish with the product, you also get a POV update. But otherwise, all the specs is gonna come in a video as well. But it's gonna be this is what's just unboxing. Unboxing of the product and everything you get into it, everything in first person. So let's get to the next part.
Well, this is our final result after the PC finished with everything. And cable-wise, it looks a little bit disgusting as you can see in the bottom, but that's because I'm missing cable ties. Need to get that sorted. But overall, when you don't have anything hanging under, because I could hang everything, I just need it. But if you look from here, it actually doesn't look any gap beside that in the corner. But this is the finished product with my two others. I know it's a little bit odd position where they sit. But again, that's because if I want to, I want actually a monitor arm for this so I can raise it up. And they can be equally. But right now it's what we're working with. And overall color, everything is actually pretty nice sitting. So keyboard, mouse, the second mouse, my Stream Deck with the controller to the monitor. The speaker setup, everything, and the PC beside with a microphone hitting away. But overall, it looks pretty nice. But time to fire the computer up. So, and also we need to do the peel. The peel. But yeah, actually I kind of like it. I'm wondering what you chat think of this. Is it good? Is it bad? But This is what I've set off so far, let me just say that. And I'm also using the USB ports behind this with my different stuff. So that's pretty nice, I love it. And yeah, overall, pretty amazing. And this monitor looks goddamn beautiful, I gotta say. It is really, really, really amazing. And you gotta see the lighting. So I will turn on the light off so you can see the light. That one does have light, as you can see. This one doesn't, but this one have backlighting, and this one does also have backlighting. But this one is probably the coolest one. And nice, my computer screen is upside down. Yes. That will I will sort it out when I can set the settings properly. So let's see if actually everything will come on. I also need to get this on, so put this in, so it should turn on now. Yep, and as you can see, that just turned on, if I'm not mistaken. And hopefully it will show the display as well. If I go into here, yeah, no, okay, 120 FPS. Let's see, okay. This is really, really, let me just say that. Overall, pretty nice. I just need to get it in the right position also. Connectivity. Let's see. Yep. And as you can see, that is 120 Hz. That's one I gotta be changed as well, because it needs to be 165. But overall, you can see the difference between these two VA panels. That is OLED. You can definitely see the bright, and the light is much more bright on this than on these two. Like really a lot more. And that one is also running with my CPU processor, but those two is running with the graphics card. But let's turn off the light and see how it looks when you turn off the light. So I turn everything off. Oh my god. There we go. And as you can see, this is the backlighting. This one does have, it's actually really weird seeing this have backlighting, this doesn't. But it is really cool. You can do multiple effects and everything. But I'm running the purple, white, pink theme, a little bit of blue, as you can see. So pretty nice. It's pretty awesome. And that's actually pretty much for the video. This is probably the end for this video. So if you did, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then I will see you all on the next video. Bye bye, signing out.